Good morning to everyone. Welcome to ISE 12. And now we are from Shenzhen, China, NewStar LED. And this time we show 3 kind LED productions that is for outdoor P3.91, and here this kind is for indoor P2.5. This kind is for indoor indoor permanent fixed installation, and that kind is for the outdoor stage rental event. Yeah, can be careful. Now, welcome here. Here is our sample. This kind is the U series for indoor permanent fixed installation, can mount to the wall decorate. This is the back side. Yeah, back side. It's very slim and high definition. This is a connector. This kind is also is for indoor permanent fixed installation P2.5. This kind is the size is 200. It's 480 by 480 millimeter. And this kind is the sample of that kind LED screen. It's for outdoor stage rental event P3.91. This kind screen can be curved. Also, let's wait. Here. Yeah, this kind cabinet has lots of advantage function. This is the safety cable, and the whole part can separate between. The inside is the power supply, receiving card, and the hub. Can do the maintain quick. Yeah. So all the screen is on sale. If you want to purchase some LED screen, welcome to go to our booth, and welcome to visit our factory and visit our website. Thank you.